The number one hack to collect more emails. Have you ever heard of the saying that the money's in the list? The more emails you collect, the more revenue you will generate. Years and years ago, when I was starting out in marketing, keep in mind I've been doing this for 21 years now, I met an individual named John Reese. He had this site back in the day called income.com. And he had a fish tank that was so big, people would scuba dive into his fish tank to clean it. And this was in his house. Now, when I talked to John, I'm like, how'd you do so well? How'd you generate all this income years and years ago when I was in Florida? He's like, through email lists. It's your ATM. I'm like, ATM? He's like, yeah, it's a digital ATM. If you need money, you just send out an email blast. He's like, instead of going to a physical ATM and putting in a card and putting in your PIN, all you do is just send out an email list and you generate income. And he's like, what's better about that versus a real ATM is, he's like, when you go to the real ATM, you're actually taking from your savings. When you send out an email blast, more money just comes in. So today, I'm going to share with you the best way to collect emails because you need to build up that digital ATM. So what's this way? It's called spin the wheel. Have you ever seen Wheel of Fortune? It's a TV show, super popular. Why? People love playing games. So why not add them to your site? Just look at this example here. You can add a spinning wheel to the bottom left or right side of your website. So when someone clicks, they will see a wheel with a lot of things that they can win. And when they click on it and they put in their name and email address to get that free spin, you will collect their email address. Just make sure that your options on the wheel are amazing. Because if they aren't, people won't spin the wheel. On some of my sites, I offer free consultations, ebooks, courses, even free coaching calls with me. You're probably wondering, Neil, that's crazy. But here's the thing. When you have tons of options and a few of them are really amazing, people will spin to try to win, and it helps you generate a lot of emails. It's so effective. For every 100 visitors you have, if your offers are great, you'll find that you'll collect 2.3 to 3.8 unique emails. And I say unique because some people try putting in their email over and over again, not really unique, to try to get multiple spins. Most software solutions like Privy will try to stop that. Or what you'll find is some people put in 2, 3 of their own email addresses to try to win that lucrative free prize. Oh, and if you're wondering how to add this to your site, as I mentioned, you can just use tools like Privy. There's a lot of other solutions out there. I use a custom homegrown one, and it works super well. Now, keep in mind, if you collect an email from Spin the Wheel, it won't convert as well as, let's say, someone comes to your website and fills out a lead form saying, hey, I want consulting, but it still works. My team has closed multiple 6-figure deals from that Spin the Wheel. Now, a lot of the leads won't convert, but still a portion of them do. So don't just use the Spin the Wheel. Try maybe lead forms or content blockers or content upgrades. You can even try things like exit pop-ups and quiz. Use a lot of different options, but adding Spin the Wheel to your arsenal is a great way to collect more emails. Now, if you have a lot of email addresses, but you're not generating that revenue like that digital ATM, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help people generate more revenue from email marketing. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell the people about it. Thank you for listening and watching.